Who does not want to stay active in kicking all their life? But you have seen your elderly suffer from joint problems, knee pain, fractures, and poor bone health. And you too are on track to meeting this sad fate, especially if you are a 25 plus woman. An inactive lifestyle, poor dietary choices, and menopause caused hormonal disturbances are a recipe for health disaster. Mind it. If you are a 25-year-old woman, then it's time to focus more on your health so you can age gracefully without the risk of poor bone and joint health. Our elders knew the secrets natural ingredients hold for health. One such ingredient that supports good bones is til or sesame seeds. The elderly in Punjab have a habit of enjoying a powerful combination of til and gur to support their bones and joints. On the eve of Lohri, when the chill is still in the air, we prepare til papdi to remind us of the benefits for our health and well-being. The ingredient list is in description. Dry roast sesame seeds. Sesame seeds are tiny pearls that are excellent sources of calcium and magnesium, which are crucial to bone, joint, and muscle health. Keep aside. Now, dry roast peanuts. You may peel the skin if you want. I usually keep the peanut skin on as it is rich in fiber. Now comes another star of the til papri recipe, gond or acacia gum or gum arabica or edible gum in simple language. Add 1 tablespoon of ghee to roast gond which puffs when it comes in contact with fat. This unlocks its benefits. In Punjab, these pearls are primarily used in making gond laddu for strong joints. New mothers are given lactating laddus or pinnies made with a plethora of ingredients, including gond or edible gum. It is good for blood pressure, blood sugar, metabolism, and kidney health too. Let's roast almonds too. It's time to make our jaggery syrup, which packs a powerful punch of minerals. Refined sugar is only empty calories, so why not add a healthier sweetener that gives us some nutritional benefits too? Add water and cook until it thickens. Add fennel seeds for flavor. Grind nuts to powder along with elaichi powder. When the syrup bubbles and thickens, turn off the flame and mix the powder. Continue to mix and give shapes immediately when it is still warm. Give shapes of choice and your healthy Indian sweet for good joints and knees is ready. Til papri, just like son papri, is a showstopper. It is neither as crunchy as til patti nor as soft as barfi. Til gud papri is a mix of both worlds. You will love it to bits and it stays good for days together. How did you find this easy, healthy Indian sweet recipe with jaggery? Do post in comments to encourage Ravneet Bhalla to come up with more healthy recipes. And if you're looking for a healthy Indian sweet without added sugar or jaggery, please check my dates recipe ideas. Stay tuned, stay blessed until we meet next.